Today we are going to demonstrate the head and neck lymph node examinations. First of all, we will start from the posterior auricular lymph nodes. So turn this year's I will discuss you and demonstrate you. This is a I will start from the posterior auricular lymph nodes. This is a posterior auricular lymph nodes. So you will go down and behind. This is a posterior cervical lymph nodes, and then you will going downward, and you will check the supraclavicular lymph nodes. Then you will check the anterior cervical lymph nodes. Then you will going to check the pre-auricular lymph nodes. Then you will check again the uh, submandibular lymph nodes and tonsillar lymph nodes. This is a tonsillar lymph nodes, this is a submandibular lymph node, and this is a submental lymph nodes. Again, if can I show this? This is a posterior auricular lymph nodes. This is a occipital lymph nodes, and then you are going behind and downwards. This is the posterior cervical lymph nodes. Then you will going. This is the anterior cervical lymph nodes. While this is a tonsillar lymph nodes. This is a submandibular lymph node. This is a submental lymph nodes. This is a complete head and neck lymph node examinations. Thank you.